So I am Laura Like, 100% owner, president, CEO of ICC International. We manufacture commutators for large industrial applications around the world. We are working currently, in fact, more than 50% of our projects ship to Australia, South Africa, South America, Canada, Mexico, Europe. We build OEM commutators for General Electric and for Nidec, and we support the repair industry also worldwide. This year, we were really honored, all of our people, to have been named the Woman-Owned Business of the Year for our region. And now we have just determined that we've been nominated for the national version.
I'm proud to present this year's 2022 Woman-Owned Business Excellence Award to someone who displays similar values and priorities and who has grown her business to serve the East Tennessee community. This year's winner is widely regarded within their field of manufacturing for industrial applications, both domestically and globally. They are a leader in market development, product development, service excellence, and knowledge transfer. Their president and CEO has taken a company that initially operated at a loss and turned it into a business that has been profitable every year since 2003. I am proud to recognize Laura Like with ICC International for her achievements with the 2022 Woman-Owned Business Excellence Award. Congratulations, Laura.
Now, for me, what this award has done is bring to my attention the importance of the roles of women in this industry, in technical, in production, in engineering, in finance, in administration, in leadership, in sales and marketing, and in business development. This is important. Years ago, I made a decision to really try to step up and support this industry through R&D, through quality, through what have you. Our customers are improving stators, rotors, materials, windings, everything else, but they don't build commutators. Somebody, I felt, needed to take the lead in that. And this is what's been instrumental in growing our business worldwide. So what I would like to do is bring awareness of the fact that women in industry, gender diversity, whatever you want to call it, brings tangible and quantifiable benefits to any company. I'm finding more and more generational businesses, and there are daughters coming up through the ranks, not just sons. In larger organizations, women are also a huge resource, and it's incumbent upon us to frankly capitalize on and somewhat leverage those strengths. I believe that this is just another step in ensuring the long-term health and prosperity of this industry. I also believe that working together, we can make this happen now.